Seniors, eat this food to restore your eyesight while you sleep. There is something powerful happening in your body every single night that almost nobody talks about, and it's not about sleep itself, it's about your eyesight. For decades, people over 50 have been told the same story, that losing your vision is just a natural part of aging. You go from struggling to read the newspaper, to squinting at street signs, to finally relying on stronger glasses or expensive procedures. But here's the shocking truth: 9 out of 10 seniors are slowly losing their eyesight every single night right while they sleep. And the saddest part? That's the very time your body should be repairing itself. Instead of healing, your eyes are missing one crucial ingredient. Because of that, the natural repair cycle your body already has never fully switches on. But imagine if you could flip that switch back on. Imagine waking up with sharper, clearer vision, not worse. And no, it's not a pill, not an operation, and not some miracle gadget. It's food. Simple, real food that you can pick up at any store. And if you eat it the right way before bed, it acts like an overnight repair team for your eyes. 1. Egg yolk. Egg yolks have been unfairly blamed for years because of cholesterol fears. But the truth is, they're one of the most powerful foods you can eat to protect and restore your eyesight. Inside that golden center is the most absorbable form of lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients your eyes desperately need. Unlike vegetables, where your body has to work harder to extract and use these antioxidants, the lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolks are delivered in a form that your body can absorb up to 5 times more efficiently. Just one egg yolk gives you about 0.25 milligrams of these vision-saving compounds. Combined with the natural healthy fats in the yolk, it creates the perfect delivery system for your eyes. Egg yolks are also packed with vitamin A, which is essential for night vision, and zinc, which carries that vitamin A straight to your retina where it's needed most. Think of it as giving your eyes the exact building blocks they've been craving all along. The best time to eat them is in the evening, when your body is preparing for its natural repair cycle. 2 scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado for dinner isn't just a tasty meal, it's a complete eye repair package. Even something as simple as a boiled egg before bed can make a difference. Consistency is key. Having 5 to 6 yolks a week can actually increase the pigment density in your macula, the part of your eye that controls sharp vision and protects against age-related decline. So instead of fearing egg yolks, see them for what they truly are, a simple, natural, and affordable way to keep your eyesight strong, clear, and alive for the years to come. 2. Spinach. Spinach may look ordinary, but when it comes to protecting and restoring your eyesight, it's nothing short of a hidden treasure. Inside those dark green leaves are some of the most powerful nutrients your eyes could ever ask for. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach has only about 40 calories, but it delivers around 20 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin, of the exact antioxidants your eyes rely on most. These compounds are like bodyguards for your macula. They sit inside your eye tissue and act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harsh blue light from phones, computer screens, and even the sun's UV rays. Without enough of them, your retina is exposed and begins to weaken over time. A major study published in the journal Nutrients found that people who ate spinach and other leafy greens regularly lowered their risk of macular degeneration by up to 43%. That's nearly cutting your risk in half. And it's not just long-term protection. Spinach nutrients also fight eye strain, improve night vision, and ease fatigue. Plus, vitamins like C, K, and magnesium all support blood vessels, fight oxidative stress, and relax the muscles around your eyes. The best part? Spinach is easy to use. Lightly saute copyright it in olive oil to unlock its nutrients, or blend it with blueberries, avocado, and ginger for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Just 4 to 5 servings a week can give your eyes the steady supply they need. So don't overlook spinach. It's a quiet, inexpensive shield for your vision. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they're like tiny superheroes for your eyes. Your retina depends on a network of delicate blood vessels. As you age, these vessels weaken, stiffen, or even block. When that happens, your vision blurs and your eyes strain. Blueberries fight back with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue-purple color. These antioxidants strengthen fragile blood vessels, improve circulation, and shield your retina from oxidative stress, which acts like rust eating away at your vision. A study from Tufts University showed that blueberries could increase blood flow to the retina by up to 40%. Imagine your eyes suddenly getting almost half more oxygen and nutrients every night while you sleep. A single cup of blueberries has only 80 calories, with fiber and natural carbs that also help balance digestion and blood sugar. The best time to eat them? After dinner. Half a cup to a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries is enough to fuel overnight repair. Enjoy them plain, mix them into Greek yogurt, or toss them in a smoothie with spinach and avocado. Over time, blueberries reduce eye fatigue, improve sharpness, and keep your vision steady as the years go by. 4. Avocado. Avocados once had a bad reputation because of their fat, but those healthy monounsaturated fats are exactly what your body and eyes need. These fats keep your eyes moist, protect the cornea, and most importantly help your body absorb antioxidants like lutein. Without fats, nutrients from other foods like spinach can slip right through without being used. Avocados solve that problem. Half an avocado contains about 15 grams of these healthy fats, plus more lutein than any other fruit. It also provides vitamin E, which cools oxidative stress, the sparks that slowly burn away at your vision. Adding avocado to your evening routine is simple. Slice half with a little sea salt, mix it into a salad with spinach, or blend it into a smoothie with blueberries. Eating avocado 5 or 6 times a week builds a real protection in your macula, improves clarity, and keeps your eyes sharp long term. It's not just fruit, it's nature's built-in delivery system for eye repair. 5. Ginger. Most people know ginger for its ability to ease colds or nausea, but very few realize how powerful it is for your eyes. One of the biggest threats to vision is hidden inflammation and oxidative stress. Over time, this rusting process weakens the retina and optic nerve, leading to cataracts, glaucoma, or macular degeneration. Ginger contains gingerols and shoja, also some of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies show ginger can lower chronic inflammation markers by up to 30% in just weeks. That means less strain on your optic nerve and healthier circulation in your eye vessels. The easiest way to use it: ginger tea before bed. Slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, simmer them in water, and enjoy the soothing drink. You can also sprinkle ginger powder on yogurt, oatmeal, or even add it to smoothies with spinach and blueberries. When used consistently, ginger helps reduce puffiness, dryness, redness, and end-of-day eye fatigue. It doesn't work overnight, but those small improvements add up, helping preserve clear vision longer. Losing your eyesight as you age is not inevitable. It's often the result of missing the nutrients your eyes need, especially at night, when they should be repairing themselves. The truth is, your body already has a built-in repair system. All you have to do is fuel it, and foods like eggs, spinach, blueberries, avocado, and ginger can flip that switch back on. Imagine going to bed knowing your eyes are healing, not declining. Imagine waking up with clearer, sharper vision, ready to take on the day without worry. The most powerful changes don't come from pills or expensive treatments. They come from small, consistent choices like adding these foods to your evening meals. Do that, and your eyes will thank you, not just tonight, but for years to come. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, it really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.